Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the polar bear from 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. So first let's get started with our nose. We're going to start right in the middle with a sideways oval. Coming down for the mouth now, we're going to curve this line around and through on the left. Starting back in the center, we're just going to replicate that on the right. Let's drop down for the mouth. We're going to start on the left-hand side, bringing this line down on a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off in the center with a curved line from left to right. Let's move back in towards the middle. We're going to bring this line back down on the left as well as on the right. And then again, we're going to close this off with a curved line on the bottom. And then we're just going to color in the center of the mouth black. Now let's come up and draw in the eyes. So we're going to start with the outside portion of the eye. So we're going to draw in a nice big oval. We're going to come across on a diagonal on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to draw in another oval for the pupil. And then we're going to move across on the right hand side and just replicate that again. Now let's move in towards the top. We're going to draw in a small oval for the highlight on our eye. And then we're going to come in towards the middle and just color that in black. Now from here, let's close off the face. Right in the center, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then out towards the left. We're going to start back on this line on the top, curving this around, down, and then out on the right, ending that at the same height. We're going to step in. We're going to curve this line out and through, and we'll replicate that on the side again. And then now from here in the corner, curving this line back in towards the middle. Now from here in the center, we're going to curve this line across towards our mouth. Let's move up and draw in the ears. So on the side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving that down. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the left and just replicating that. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to replicate that shape, curving this down. Again, doing the same thing on the right. Now from here, let's draw on the body. So we're going to come down on the left, curving this line through, and do the same thing on the right, arching this line down. Now let's draw in our arms. On the top, we're going to curve this line out and then in on the side. Let's drop down. We're going to replicate that again, curving this across and then back in. Let's move down again from that corner, curving this down and then back through towards the side. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line back down where it's going to bend for our elbow. Now from here on the top, we're going to bring this line all the way over and out towards the side. Let's come underneath now on the bottom, and we're going to curve this line out and then back up. From that corner, bringing this line over and through, ending that at the same distance as the line on the top for our arm. Let's draw on the hand now. So we're going to come down on a diagonal. And then from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line across again. Let's bring our diagonal line down for the finger. And then we're going to curve this up and in for the thumb. Now from here, from that point, let's draw a diagonal line coming up and then across towards the top. Let's move over on the right. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then down towards the bottom. And then in the middle, bringing this line up and then back over. Now let's bring this line over. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then down towards the bottom for our last finger. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line back through on a diagonal. And now let's draw in our legs. So we're going to move in towards the center, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to step out, curving this out, and then back in towards the side. We're going to step over. We're going to curve this around and in for where it bends for our knee. Let's come back up towards the top now. Stepping in slightly, we're going to curve this line out and then through. And then we're going to come down, connecting this by bringing this line out and then back in on the side, just creating that fur effect. Let's come down for the feet. We're going to start on the inside, curving this down and then back in. And then for the toe in the corner, we're going to curve this around and in. Let's step across. Let's replicate that. And then again, one more time, curving this around and then up towards the knee. And that is it. That's how you draw Polar Bear from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.